Hi everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Um, in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, May the 26th, 2020, we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So total of five Sudokus, and we will start first with the Sudoku with a 1 star. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here a 9. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9. No 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. And now, let's try the number. Ooh. Well, we have a 6 in the third column, a 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. We have a 1 in the third column, a 1 in the first column, so in the column between the second column. The only place for the 1 should be here. Then a 5 in the third column, a 5 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for a 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5, I need to wait. How about the number 4? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. I see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only place for a 2 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 number left in the third column for the number 7, I believe, yes. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. Do we have a 1, 3? Yes, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row, the second row for the number 4. No, 4 we have. The 5. The 5 is missing. Yes, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And then how about the number? These 2 numbers in this row, the 1 and the 6 are missing. The 1 and the 6. Can I fill this yet? No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 6. How about 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 2 to 4. 1, 2, and the 6. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. These 3 numbers, the missing numbers here, the 6, 7, and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. 6, 7, and a 3. 6, 7, and a 1. 6, 7, and a 1. Yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. 6, 7, and the 1 are missing. I see here the 1 and the 6. So 1 digit left for the 7. 6 and the 1 are left now. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. 3, 1 and 6, the 1, 1, 1, 1. The 2. Yes, these 3 numbers in this row. The missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 4. The 2, 3, and the 4. I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers here. The 1 and the 6. No, still cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 6. How about 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the middle column. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column. The only place for the 4 should be here. One number left in this middle column for the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 8 here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Apologies. Sorry. Again. 1 and 6. How about these two numbers? Also 1 and 6. Wow. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. This also 1 and 6. These 6 and 2. 6 and 2. So we have a 6 in this column. So this cannot be a 6. This should be a 6. This should be a 1. 6 and 2. 6 and 2. 6 and 2, 6 and 2, I marked them. How about these two numbers, the 6 and the 7? We have a 6 here, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there, one number left in this big square for the number 1. 6 and 1 now, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Oh, sorry. Apologies. I moved the camera. Apologies. I think during the sneezing. Apologies again. Thank you for watching. And well, I see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you for now and bye bye.